Wapta Falls. It's 2.4 kilometers. Easy hike, flat hike. September 2024 here in Yoho National Park in Canada. On the Wapta Falls hike trail. Wapta Falls in Yoho National Park. And we put in our Google Maps directions and it took us to the Wapta Falls recreation area, which is well out of the way. This can be found, this trailhead, the right one, can be found on the maps. So you gotta go old school and use a real map. And it's also only open, I think, to eastbound traffic, so not coming from Banff, but coming from Golden like we were, where you can take a right turn off the Canadian Highway 1 to get to the trailhead. It's an easy hike, mostly flat, and 2.4 kilometers it said to get to the waterfalls. Oop. Dean trips. Another gorgeous day today. Sunshine. It's gonna be warm later. View of the water. Now you can hear the waterfall. Got a fence here just to keep people from falling over the edge. Trail takes you away from the waterfalls now and then different trails to go down.
It's to the left?
It's steep. Down to the bottom. But you can't see the falls so much unless you climb back over those rocks, I guess. Wapta Falls. Hiking back up from the waterfalls, making just a little loop. Gonna miss the viewpoints going this way, but I always like a loop. Loop better than out and back. So nice. More and more fall color. Now the sound of the waterfall is faded into the background. Going back to the trailhead. Just finished hiking, more of a walk, to the Wapta Falls. A little bit of elevation, especially when you get there to go down to get closer to the falls. Lots of people now, more and more cars from when we parked. I think you can see parking up along the road, so quite a bit of space. It's midday right now, noon. Dean Trips, Canada. the red chairs that are scattered around the national parks here in Canada. Takakkaw. It's a big waterfall, second tallest in North America, I read. I heard. You can walk a little bit closer up. It's beautiful.